Psalm 23:4. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. My friends, no matter what situation you're going through, no matter how dark the time is, you will get through it. You will conquer it, because you are a warrior of God. We shall be fearless, courageous, brave in the name of the Lord. We won't ever give up. We won't ever back down against the enemy. Because if God is for us, who could be against us? Not even the enemy, my friend. Always remember that. You are a warrior of God. You will get through your trials. You will get through your hardships. You're strong, my friend. Keep pushing. Fear not. Psalm 23:4.